Good afternoon, traders. This is Daud from Elliott Wave forecast.com. Welcome to today's Elliott Wave setup video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at copper metal, HGF copper futures. All right. So first of all, let's take a look at this decline here in copper, starting from the 29th of October high to the 5th of November low, which was yesterday. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 swings here. All right, and if you take a look at the first swing, the subdivisions of the blue W, that was a perfect hit of 1.236 extension, and then within this blue wave X also we hit the equal legs 1.236 extension area. We missed the equal legs in this attempt. All right, this W, it fell slightly short of the equal legs of WX in blue, and then this wave X here was the perfect 50% retracement of this W cycle, and again another very good opportunity to sell at the time, which of course our members were presented with that chart. And now this highlighted area here that you see at the bottom is basically the equal legs of WX, and again a perfect hit of the equal legs to the 1.236 inflection area, and that's where copper bounced from, and we think that we are now correcting this cycle here. All right, and this is the invalidation level. As far as this level stays in place, we like to sell the rallies in copper. Okay, all right, we do not recommend buying it because the move going up here, we are showing it with a dotted line, this swing here. That means it's not a buy, but of course we do like to sell it in this area, which is the ideal area for the sellers, but bear in mind the trend is down, and as it says over here, buy or sell in 3, 7, or 11 swings. So we think we have already seen 3 swings up from the low here. This was 1, 2, and 3. Now our third swing we think is a bit too short at this stage. So as far as price stays above this low here at 2.993, we would like to see a bit more strength in copper, which again, we don't like to buy into that, but of course that can take you to this ideal selling area where sellers should appear, looking for a move down to new lows below here, the next extension to the downside. All right, so as far as this high here and this red arrow, it stays here, we like selling the rallies in copper in 3, 7, or 11 swings. So we have seen 3 swings up already, which means it could turn lower at any moment, but ideally we would like to see a test of this area before the decline resumes. So we like selling the rallies here in copper. All right, this is the ideal area for sellers, and if this low breaks at 2.993, that would suggest that this cycle has ended from the lows and that wave X is in place, and that the decline has resumed for new lows below here. All right, now of course it could play all the games it wants. It can do a flat in X and then go over here. All right, which is why until this low doesn't break, the invalidation level would stay here. Okay, and once these lows have broken, then this invalidation level can be shifted lower, but we like to keep selling the rallies in 3, 7, or 11 swings, and then look for more downside toward equal legs of this W related to X. Now we can work out that extension target area only once wave X has completed, or we have the confirmation that X is over and we have seen the new lows. But just to give you an idea, if wave X completes at the 50 back level, then our equal legs area lower, the 100% extension of WX is going to be around 2.88, with 1.236 extension coming at 2.852 area. All right, so depending on where this wave X ends, okay, then this area could be shifted slightly higher or lower, but that's just to give you a rough idea of where our next downside target could be. But of course the exact area would depend on where exactly this wave X is going to end. So we think it's a very good setup. We really like it. This cycle is over, and now we like selling the rallies in 3, 7, or 11 swings, as far as this high and the pivot here to stay intact. Okay, so 3 swings up already, but while above 2.993, we could see some more strength into this area before lower again, and we do not recommend buying into the move up because the line is dotted, and it clearly says here don't trade in direction of the dotted lines. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching it. For further updates, feel free to visit our website www.elliottwave-forecast.com, and you can sign up for a 14-day trial to have a look around and see what we have to offer. Thank you so much, everybody.